We will bring the factories that turn simsim into cooking oil.
Wabikele factory maloko nyim daro mo.
When we do that, we will create jobs in the rural areas.
Kawatimu man babi nyayo tiji ching dano.
And we will be able to improve the incomes of the people.
Kidong dano bena gubo chako no lima be.
In every sub-county.
Wabi yibu gankwan pa government in sub-county kachele chele.
So that we can ensure that even students in the rural areas can go to good schools. We are going to change syllabus and curriculums.
Wabi logo ki.
All the slums, they are not cities.
Komberi gankal mo tiga yibu Uganda kilwoni slum and cities.
What you have here in Kampala, what you have in Gulu, these are slums. We want to plan. We are going to have a national urban plan.